Good day, Mom. I am Aliza Anangi from A133, and I am about to explain the history of pragmatics. So, pragmatics is the study of meaning in context. Focusing language is used in real life communication, and not just about the literal meanings of words, but about the intended meanings conveyed by the speakers and understood by the listener. So pragmatics analyzes how context, intentions, and social norms influence communication. So there are key aspects of pragmatics, which is if the speakers in the key aspects of pragmatics: speaker's intention and listener's interpretation. So pragmatics emphasizes the speakers implies and what the listeners infers. For example, is that how are you? On the surface, this question about one's well-being in the most context is a polite greeting. The expected response is something like, I'm fine, and how about you? So the question, how are you, is being asked of a human. So the listener would definitely answer the question by, I'm fine, and how about you? So the example number 2 is that I have 2 daughters. So this sentence could imply that the speaker has only 2 daughters or possibly more, depending on the context and what is left unsaid. So meaning is shaped by various factors such as the speaker's tone. So it depends on the speaker's tone and cultural norms and the situation. The same words can be mean different things in different contexts as well. So pragmatics is essential because it helps us understand how people use language to communicate effectively in different social settings. Of course, by focusing on the intended meaning rather than just the literal meaning. Pragmatics bridges the gap between what is said and what is meant. So, also, that what I have also learned about the lesson that were tackled before during the discussions of the other groups. And I also have learned that today's pragmatics remains essential in understanding how language is used effectively in various contexts and interaction. So it considers factors like intentions, cultural norms, and situational context to go beyond literal meanings. That's all, and thank you so much.